started discussing something about my part-time selling things. Like I was selling those masalas and pickles. So I asked her like if she like to taste those pickles and all. So that's how it started, like our friendship.
वो रंग भी क्या रंग है, मिलता ना जो तेरे होठ के रंग से हूबहू। वो खुशबू क्या खुशबू, ठहरे ना जो तेरी सांवली जुल्फ के रूबरू। तेरे आगे ये दुनिया है फीकी सी, मेरे बिन तू ना होगी किसी की भी। अब ये जाहिर सरेआम है, ऐलान है।
He got some work with me, so he started talking to me. So that's how we became friends, and since then we both were friends. And all of a sudden it's all decided, like it is not a but
जब तक जहाँ में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू। जब तक जहाँ में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू। जब तक जहाँ में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू। जब तक जहाँ में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू।
We like to sing, we like to chat, we like to do some creativity things. So there are so many things which we like. There are yet more to explore also.
he's always friendly with me, and he always be there for me whenever I need. So he was there and he is a good friend of mine. So more than a husband, I want him to be like a friend. He likes to chill around, he likes to be with his friends, and he is amenable, jovial.
उलझन भी हूँ तेरी, उलझन का हल भी हूँ मैं। थोड़ा सा जिद्दी हूँ, थोड़ा पागल भी हूँ मैं। बरखा बिजली बादल झूठे झूठी फूलों की सौगातें। सच्ची तू है सच्चा मैं हूँ सच्ची, अपने दिल की बातें। दस्तखत हाथों से हाथों पे कर दे तू, ना कर आँखों पे पलकों के पर्दे तू। क्या ये इतना बड़ा काम है, ऐलान है। जब तक जहाँ में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू। जब तक जहाँ में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू।
She understands my silence, like whatever I feel or whatever I don't speak also she understands. And I love her as a human being, and she is more than a friend to me, like, and as a life partner also she is more than a friend.
Because he is the one who was always there with me when I was in Pune, and mostly whenever I wanted to share anything or just like he was with me all the time.
Nothing as such, like I chose her for what she is, so I am not expecting any change, but if she wants to change something for herself, then she can change, or else I don't have expectations.
Introduced to all his friends, so now I'm close to all of them as well. So I felt that is what I wanted, and that is what I'm expecting from someone who is with me all the time.
पाएगी तू खुद को ना मुझसे जुदा, तू है मेरा आधा सा हिस्सा सदा। टुकड़े कर चाहे ख्वाबों